Hey guys, this episode I thought I'd take you through my process of replacing new rubbers onto the beltline weather strips there. As you can see, these are pretty much chopped out, all brittle, seen better days, and so I'll take you through the process where we need to drill out the holes, drill holes into here, add in the staples, and yeah, we've got to remove these ones first, so I'll show you how I went about it. So the first thing we've got to do is remove the old rubber, and that's held in by these staples here. My technique is just to grind off the ends in here, and that'll get rid of it pretty quick. Okay, so with them grinded out, it should be just a case of levering them out. So, stubborn last one, there we go. Just got to straighten that up. So I'm just going to use this wheel here to clean off all the stain, surface rust, that sort of thing that's on there. Okay, so now it's just a matter of bolting this onto here. Just to secure it into place. So that's secured it into place there. And so now it's a case of drilling the holes for these staples. Push the staple in, pair of pliers, and just lay the backs over. And just lay over the ends. And there you have it. And I'll just make my way along and do them roughly where the original holes were. But like I said, these staples aren't the same width as the original ones, so you may as well just re-drill whole new holes rather than fight with the old ones. Okay, so that's my process in replacing the beltline weather strips. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you did, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notifications. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.